Hi, this is Bill Tainter doing a live trade time lapse on the US CAD. Today it's Friday the 13th, and oh, it's Friday the 13th. No, it's not. It's Friday, May 11th. It's 11:13 is what I saw. Sorry. Here's the US CAD, and what I did is I did a buy a long time ago here in the US session. I did a buy as I saw this bottoming out, and it's chopping, and I'm at break even plus a pip, and I'm waiting it to pop up to here. And let me show you some analysis of why did I take this trade. Alright, so here's the information I'm watching. Also on Joe's reports, I see that he has the monthly pivot is at 99.59, so I watch. That's a big level to watch. I also have a box here so you can see this is the average daily range for a 5, 10, and 20 day average daily range. Okay. This blue line is yesterday's low. Okay, so I'm taking profits at the blue line. I'm taking 2 off because I don't know if this is going to continue. But what I did is I stepped in front of the freight train here at 99.58 area because of that monthly pivot. So it was down, it was chopping, and oh, that's on another chart. I also demo traded this a little bit deeper. I got in deeper at 99.56, where this is got in at 99.65. So I got in 9 pips deeper. I'm up 15 pips on that demo. And so I popped this one a little bit early. Demo, I got in below this grid, which is beautiful. And it bounced and it bounced, and it's crazy how you know, I looked at it, it's the end of the day, it's made a big move. Like I said, it's at the end of you know, it's past the average daily range, it's past the lows. There's no more significant news. Let me just double check. And yeah, see, 855, this consumer sentiment came out, and for Canada up here it was crazy. 58 was projected at 10, came out at almost 60. So that exploded the chart down. And so there was no news, and it's Friday, and it's at the bottom of all these, and it's at a grid, and it's at this monthly pivot. It's just, you know, that's a pretty high probability bottom. And that's why I took the trade. Now let's see what the drawdown here, the bottom of the bottom here, is 99.53. Okay, so if I got in at 65 to 53 with spread, I only had a 5 pip drawdown because the spread in here, let's see, what is it? It's around, oh, it's pretty tight here, 2 to 3, so that's not bad. 2 to 3, so maybe I had a 5 to 7 pip drawdown if it was at this level. And we can go over here to see. So I got in at that green line, and then it came down a little bit deeper, and then it's turned. So there's a live trade. Let me show you my terminal so you can see it. Here's a live account. Yep, there it is. So there's my live account, and there is the date, the time, US CAD. We got in at 99.65, took a couple off, and waiting to see if we can get up to the blue line, which is in the average daily range retest. So it makes sense to make it our, and again, I'm going to be conservative and take 2 off here. Could have come way back up into here, because guess what this is? This is 1,000, which is the big pivot area of the channels. Sorry, not a pivot area, but Joe has it as one of his channels. So I'm going to hang on here and see if we can get through this. It's been green, and it's funny, like right here, I'm not kidding you, I mean, it had pulled back and it was staggering here, and as soon as it popped up, I'm like, man, this 4 dojis, this has to go my way or I'm out. So I just took my object right here, break even, I moved it, and bam, it snapped it to break even, and it was up here, and then it's just moved from there. So I almost took profit 1 off here, and I'm glad I didn't. So I'm trying to get better at stay in the game, just secure your profits, loss, risk, right? But keep your profit levels there. So instead of getting 1, what if I get 10 or 15 here? See, that makes a big difference on my trading numbers. So I'll come back. We'll just keep watching how this unfolds, okay? Okay, it's struggling here. It's made its move to new highs, and we'll see if, see, I got in with spread. I hate this on buys are tough, because when you get on a buy, you give up 3 to 4 pips, and then if you go to break even, now you're up 5 pips from your entry, and so it makes it hard to live through pullbacks, right? In my demo account, I was able to get in way down below the grid, which is great. So +1, I'd be way protected here. So not sure if this is going to turn or not. We're not going to panic. I don't really care. Can't lose any money. I am guaranteed profits here. I just want to watch it and give it a little bit of room to breathe. And again, this is my lines here at 99.75, 76. Okay, let's see what happens. Go over here. 76. Yep, that's yesterday's low. So let's see if we can get this to pop back up higher and live through that surge. I mean, all systems are up. You know, it's higher highs, higher lows. You know, it's trending higher and higher and higher. So it should continue to pull up. I mean, we've got to get, you know, a lot of, it's got to get below this grid to really show a reversal. So cautiously optimistic we can at least get up to this area. Alright, so it just stopped me out. Should be 1 here. Oh, I got in way back over here, that's why. Yep, I got 1 pip. So, bummer. We were up a little bit here. Again, you're not sure how far it's going to go, and then just really slammed. And I guess this is a screamer right here. This is called a reversal candle. When you have the highest point closes red, that means there's some major slamming down power right there. So, and then let's go over to this other chart just so you can see it. So that's what it looks like. Again, it came down into here. Let me run this. So I bought it at this point, bottoms out, came, and I'm waiting for it to try to get up. Just didn't quite get there. So fine, I secured a, I secured a 1, 1, and 1, 0 risk, and it started to slow down, and I didn't want to sit here on a Friday afternoon and get caught too late. So I just took it where it was. So anyway, those are some ideas to consider, what to watch for. I'm just doing a quick follow-up after I shut the video down on this. Just to show that it did go right to my take profit lines, which is yesterday's low, and it's stalling here, and not sure where it's going to head. It's up into this band of, see, the average daily ranges here, so not sure how far it's going to go, but I nailed the entry, not bad. Just trying to follow it. It was post London. There's a big grid here. I was just nervous on what it's going in, like to the pip, the bottom of the bottom. It touched me out, and then up it went to my profits. Ugh, crazy. Sure you've never had that happen before. So anyway, that's the follow through of the trade. Demo, I'm still in. I took off 22 on take profit 2, take profit 1. I got 16. It's still running. My entry demo was nice. It was way down at 99.56, so it's way down below this grid, and so in demo I'm going to let that run.